Welcome everyone, how's it going? Hope you have an amazing day out there. CHAINLINK Price Prediction is going to be our video for the last couple of days of 2023. We're closing the year on bullishness for the last 7 days across the board. If we look at the entire space, it is having a $75 billion volume for the past 24 hours. And so far, the crypto market cap is getting closer and closer to 1.7 trillion. This movement is especially helped by alts, and Chainlink is also trying to follow through the process. We're going to find out more on the charts, and before we get into that, for those of you that are interested, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. We have daily price predictions and technicals down to the earth. So we don't speak about numbers that have nothing to back them up. We don't speak about things that are no clue with the reality. At the same time, I have trading videos you can see on my page, including YouTube shorts about the way I trade and perform, some of the videos I filmed on my exchange, and so on. Now, you can also join my trades if you think so. No prior fee on the option number 1, only commission from the pure profits made. Quite simple and straightforward. Commission is paid by you every 7 days, and it's working based on performance. You can find out more the trades on my page. You can see my journey on the results and so on, as well the one-on-one coaching program, which is something I'd like to discuss at the end, only for serious people that are looking for transforming this great opportunity of the crypto space into financial freedom. Therefore, Chainlink. What's going on with this one? Well, obviously, as we can see, the market has been constructing a decent level of liquidity here by forming 2 different levels of fake outs, number 1, number 2. This is very bullish, guys. People underestimate that the markets offers the ability for longs to get trapped at the top. And this is a pattern, which is a great strategy for the market makers to set of away construct liquidity due to the fact that once they trap people in the tops, they decrease the price action, force them to exit at a much lower prices, so lower than they got into. And that means that volume, that situation of stop losses, liquidations, and so on that are triggered are all going to be filled up as volume for the market makers at a much lower prices for them, which means a great entry that they can utilize straight afterwards to pump the markets as well and benefit out of that. So a situation like this, exactly what has been happening with those 2 fake outs as a situation at the top, and including the markets dumping to the major support areas of demand. So there's a lot going on. There is a zone coming out there. There is a golden pocket in between the 2 horizontal black lines, and there is a 50 days moving average which respects the market so accurately that this is wild. Now, something that we got to consider is that we are dealing with a major supply level at the top, 18 bucks. And we're actually aiming to get out of that, which is something that Chainlink should perform without troubles. But one thing is something that I'd like to share with you is that as soon as we get out of it, we will have to consider the ability of finding some bearishness between 22 and 24 with the ability of a short-term intermediate movement on that range and spiking into the 27-28 for greatness. This is something I'm definitely considering for the upcoming weeks, and there is still 71% on the table that is needed for that, which is obviously not small, but at the same time Chainlink has those abilities to perform, at least get out of this specific supply level, enjoying basically the zigzag of 1.272 and 41 for the preparation one. Something as well that has to be said is that there is no divergence at this level as we're breaking the top. We had a minor divergence appearing. Let me just share that with you. So right there, along with this one, and then the top's basically on the market. It was a minor divergence on the daily. It triggered a bearishness. Markets have sold it for that, but now we're sort of away crossing and breaking the top, and we're trying to go basically with the top as well by increasing it to the supply level. So things are no longer looking in any form of a danger, especially at the lower line of the cloud here on the CRSI indicator. The lower blue line of the cloud is actually, not the purple indicator line, is actually at 43 index, which is something you can see right there. This means basically that there is huge room out there in order to transform this into an overbought area or extreme overbought area or an extremely dangerous situations for market reversals. There is no such story and discussion with Chainlink, guys, at the level it is and how the indicators are portraying. So it's very good that in the past couple of weeks we have been sitting and having a ranging movement right there as well, finding great support at this time. It's all about greatness. We also have 49 days movement in this one, so this is amazing for a market preparation and a continuation upwards. Beautiful. That's it on the topic. Once again, subscribe to the channel, check out the other videos, including about the AI bot trading with ChatGPT on option number 1, no upfront fees, and then the one-on-one coaching program for anyone interested. Like I said, this is comprehensive directly with me, or I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade, make you a trader. Whether we talk about part-time or full-time, it actually doesn't matter. It matters to know how to trade as a knowledge and skills for an advanced level. A person that is aiming to understand the language of the market and only act based on data, only act when the market is requesting to be backed up by the set of information that we're dealing with. So more details can be found in the video, as well qualify for a free conversation with me. On our page, you can see the details as well in a little detailed way. Details in a detailed way, folks. Have a good time. We'll talk to you soon. Just subscribe and enjoy.